Imagine waking up to news that shakes the financial world. The Dow is surging, fueled by a massive leap in shares of TSMC, the powerhouse chipmaker behind Nvidia's success, all thanks to their latest earnings report. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this be the start of a tech boom? Or is it just another bubble waiting to burst? Stick around as we dive into the live coverage of today's market action and discover the insider details most casual investors overlook. First off, let's break this down for beginners. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, often just called the Dow, is a key indicator of how the stock market is performing, tracking 30 major US companies. When it rises, it usually means good news on the economic front. Today, it's climbing because TSMC, the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company, the company that actually produces the chips for Nvidia's cutting-edge graphics technology, announced strong earnings. This jump in TSMC's stock is a big deal for tech enthusiasts and investors alike, as it highlights the booming demand for semiconductors in everything from gaming to artificial intelligence. Now, before we get too excited about trading tips or buy signals, remember that this information from Investors Business Daily is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. It's not meant as advice, a suggestion, an invitation, or even a rating on whether to purchase or sell any stocks. We pull our data from sources we trust, but we can't promise it's always spot on, up to the minute, or perfect for your situation, especially things like captions in videos. Past performances of investments don't predict future results, no matter how impressive they look. And just so you know, the experts sharing this might have their own stakes in the stocks they're talking about. We don't endorse any specific securities or strategies, and everything here can change without warning. For the full scoop on how to use our services, check out our terms of use at https://www.investors.com/home Investors Business Daily Inc. Terms of use. Prices update in real time via Nasdaq last sale, but keep in mind, not every market is included here. Ownership details come from LSEG, and estimates are courtesy of FactSet. All those catchy names, IBD, IBD Digital, IBD Live, IBD Weekly, Investors Business Daily, Leaderboard, Market DM, Market Surge, and more, are trademarks of Investors Business Daily LLC. Copyright 2025 Investors Business Daily LLC. All rights reserved. And this is the part most people miss. While these earnings jumps can feel like a golden ticket to quick riches, skeptics argue that over-reliance on tech giants like TSMC could lead to market volatility if global supply chains hiccup. What do you think? Should investors flock to these semiconductor stocks, or are they playing with fire in an unpredictable economy? Do you agree that disclaimers like this keep things fair, or do they just add unnecessary caution? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your take.